So this is how you can redeem Amazon gift cards. The very first thing to do is opening up the Amazon.com website. So this tutorial is actually very easy. Let's go ahead and get started by going to Account and Lists. Make sure that you're signed into your account or else you won't be able to redeem a gift card. So once we're in Account and Lists, you will see that there are two sections of this button right here. There's your lists and your account. So under your account, you're going to want to tap on Account, and now we're in your account. So as you can see, there are a lot of buttons here, but you're going to want to tap on Gift Cards, and here we are. As you can see, it's going to show you your gift card balance, and there are two buttons over here, either reload your balance or redeem a gift card. So, what does reload your balance do? Well, if you redeem a gift card and it still says $0, you're going to want to tap on this reload your balance in order to reload the website and then show you how much you actually have after redeeming the gift card. And right next to this yellow button is the redeem a gift card button. So simply tap on that, and here you can go ahead and type in the code to your gift card. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can claim gift cards in Amazon. Once again, account and lists, account, gift cards, redeem a gift card, and simply type your gift card over here and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.